How to record phone calls on your iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your iPhone. Once you are here, if you're in another tab, tap on the Recents tab or Contacts at the bottom to call the contact you wish to record a conversation with. After placing the call, wait until it connects. Once the call is connected, tap on the three dots icon at the bottom to open more options. From here, tap on the call recording option. A notification will appear on your screen, informing you that the call is about to be recorded. Once the countdown finishes, the recording will start automatically. You can see the recording progress bar on the call screen. Speak normally while the call is being recorded. Meanwhile, your conversation is now recorded in the Notes app. To stop, simply tap the record button and end the call as you normally would. After ending the call, open up the Notes application on your phone. Here, you will find a new note automatically created with the title of the call. To listen to your saved call, tap on it to open the note, where it will appear as a new playable audio file. Following these steps, you can easily record a phone call on an iPhone.